Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to be talking to you about this old Pixel that I bought, I think maybe about a week ago. And I've been using it ever since then it's like a secondary phone. And so far, it's really good. It has 5G and it came unlocked. I put in my T-Mobile SIM and it works immediately. And as far as lagging, it's not at all. So, of course, it's not going to be comparable to the new iPhone 13 or 14. But for the price, I think I paid about $130 something ish. And my main purpose to use this phone like a backup or just like to take pictures and to store it. And so that's pretty much it. I mean, and I believe that this is the only phone that will provide you with the last Pixel that has like unlimited photo storage. So that's one of the reasons why. One of the reasons why I want it and why I bought it. As far as, by the way, this is a refurbished phone. So, as far as I can tell, the only thing that I don't see any scratches on the screen or on the side of the phone or even on the back of the cameras, or the fingerprint works good. Even with the bottom of the port, it looks new. Just the only thing that it doesn't come with the original box. So after this, you're gonna see my actual unboxing video about the phone itself. So I'm not gonna go too much into it. But for as far as refurbished item, I think this is pretty good. I can't even tell that it's used, other than the fact that it doesn't have the screen protector where I just take it off myself. But for the price, it's a good phone. So I guess it just depends on the seller that you're buying this particular one. I'll list it in the description. So if any of you guys ever want to buy a phone from them, hopefully you're gonna have the same experience as I do. But other than that, thank you for watching and enjoy the unboxing video. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you love this the channel, or if somehow the channel's helped you out with the saving and stuff like that, just hopefully you can help it out by subscribing to the channel. But other than that, take care, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Enjoy the unboxing. All right, guys, in this video, we're going to do a quick unboxing of this Google Pixel 5 that I just bought off of eBay. I think for $125, I think. And it arrived pretty fast. And I think this is the only version, or the last version that they have, where it's going to give us like the free unlimited photo storage. That's one of the reasons that why I bought it. So this is they claim that it's refurbished, and it should have like batteries percentage up to 80%. So let's see what's in it. So it comes with a generic USB type A and USB type C cable. That's for us to charge the device itself. And other than that, it just UPS label, just in case, I guess, if I'm not satisfied with it, and I can return it. So there. So that's it. So this is the color. It's green, and as far as I can see, let me see. Yeah, the screen does have some scratches along over here, nothing major, and maybe one right here. I don't know if you can see it, but for 125 bucks, there's no dents on the casing. Camera wise, looks good. So let's power it up, see if there's any power left. So this is the unlocked version, so hopefully I can use it with my T-Mobile. And I think this is we'll be able to upgrade to the Android 13. This is more like a backup phone. No SIM card, and the battery Oh, straight up. Looks like it's already, let's say we'll do the install. I'm gonna do the quick install and then I'll be right back. So I just installed the my T-Mobile SIM card, and you can see it detects it and it says 5G. It's in the right hand corner. What it says, check for updates. Updates are turned around available. Try again. Version successful. Try again. I think maybe they want me to connect to a Wi-Fi. Who knows? But let's try it. Let's give it one last try. See if it's gonna go through. Has a button on the side, the power button, and then the volume button. And then it has a fingerprint on the back. It has a logo G over here. And on this side, it has a SIM card. And this one, USB Type-C. What is this? It still says system preparing for system update. So I don't know how long it's gonna take, but we'll check for a couple minutes. There's no headphone jack for this one. This one I think it has the Snapdragon 765, something like that. Not the flagship model, but you know, it's good enough for the price.